So earlier, I made a YouTube video on my live, but however, since I accidentally erased my live, I thought it'd be better if I showed off my package to make up for a lost live video. And Kakarot is definitely gonna be jealous when she sees this zombie Gambit Funko Pop. This right here is the coolest thing. In case you don't know what zombie Gambit is, it's like a different Earth where you have Spider-Man, you got Deadpool, basically everyone in a Marvel universe turns into zombies. And get when I said different Earth, because it's like there's a multiverse in a Marvel comics. And I really hope they do a zombie like a zombie thing like in the future. But I just hope Netflix don't mess it up like they did with She-Hulk. I was so disappointed in She-Hulk. And that show sucks. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people going to be commenting on my stuff saying, oh, you should just give it a chance, blah, blah, blah. No, I shouldn't. And I won't. But, yeah, Kakarot is definitely going to be jealous when she sees this. And, yeah, I'm going back to unboxing my stuff now. And, Kakarot, better luck next time.